my body parts. What do the different parts of my body do? This is my mouth. My mouth helps me to speak. My mouth has teeth and tongue, which help me to eat and drink. These are my ears. My ears help me to hear. I can hear low as well as high sounds with the help of my ears. This is my nose. My nose helps me to smell. My nose helps me identify difference between good smell and bad smell. These are my eyes. My eyes help me to see. I can see both near and far away objects with the help of my eyes. My eyes, ears, nose and eyes make up my face. This is my neck. I can move my head with the help of my neck. These are my hands. My hands help me to hold things. I can hold a glass of water, hold my friend's hands, and join hands to pray too. These are my fingers. My fingers help me to write. I also play piano with the help of my fingers. These are my legs. My legs help me to walk and run. I cycle and play football with the help of my legs.